How to go live on your Twitch application. Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you in this tutorial video how to do this. Just watch and follow this video till the end. So let's start. First, just go ahead and open your Twitch. After that, you keep here on your following page and come here on create. Click on it. After this, it will show you this. And click go live. For example, stream a game, enable microphone and click here also, and you will give like permission for Twitch. You will search for it here. So I will not give it like permission. I will go back and then you will start live from here. So that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you next video.